All right, let's see. Did we feel this one went better?
I made a grave mistake and like looked at like the two keys next to each other. I forgot about like different.
Wasn't this the easiest of all of them I've given you?
No. The last one was.
Well, the last one was.
This just takes more time. Oh, I guess this one's important. All right.
What was the last one?
2 strings.
Like the string mass.
Oh yeah, that was. I guess that was easier. Not by much. All right, shut up. Shut up, or we have a second quiz right now. Are you listening to that, Joey? It's a second quiz for you guys to fail right now. All right, let's see. Oh, so Jake, I don't get the build the string part. I just get the find the most string part.
Yeah.
No. That's all you got to. Maybe 10 minutes.
That didn't seem like 10 minutes. It sounded like 1 minute. It was intense.
What's up? Yeah, it's called write a stupid little method with a for loop. All right. Skippy actually has just question marks.
Yeah, I didn't. Yeah.
Is it the comment fix this later? Yeah. We'll come back to it.
I hop that concatenated. You know you're in trouble when you're misspelling your comments.
I looked it up in the dictionary.
Dane added a couple of jokes to this. They were quite funny, but I can't put them on the recording. So, when in doubt, do that. Like on a final exam, just kind of.
Had the grade.
Oh, here! Finally, we got a competent one, Baker. So he's saying the rest of you are stupid. That's what he just said. I ain't gonna sleep, but I'm not as stupid as last time. So anybody who couldn't figure this out is like voltage. Let's see. Okay, carry's good. Starting to see a pattern here. Yeah, the same people that weren't incompetent last time are continue to be not incompetent.
Was I incompetent last time?
I don't remember.
I was competent last time, and I definitely broke the
Really? Really?
Yeah. I started about it all wrong. So I know how to do it now.
I've already said that. Yeah, blatantly racist. Because it was me. It's open.
See, Tina continually just gets half of it right.
Surprised you can read. Hey, last time I got see of the original thing.
Well, at least Joey approved of my method name this time.
Yeah, I got. What race did I return to puke at the end?
What's that? What's the medicine that makes you puke?
Epicac.
I should have called my homework.
Man, so you thought of you know,
Trying to say that.
yeah, he remembers.
All right, I'll say that was competent, Joey.
Oh, thanks.
Driver, not puke helper. Where's puke helper? Here we go.
Oh, I should have called that epicac.
Yeah, you should have.
Oh, that's okay. You did all right there.
That's weird.
I thought you were saying this didn't go well.
No, I said he said.
I didn't
Wow.
know. I was saying.
I asked you if I was confident last time to see if I'd break it or keep it.
Oh, I see.
Oh crap! Yeah, I think I got it last time. He said it was. Yeah, I was close. Last time I was like. Do something.
What was this? What was this one?
Suicide. He jumped off. Yeah, you know that hang. That clip he was hanging on. Yeah.
Oh, you started doing it in PHP afterwards. I get it. All right. Oh, hold on.
Hold on.
So many trees.
Mark Jamber had said that he had to go to the dentist today, and he wanted to be excused. And I said that he had to spit blood in his hand and take a picture.
Oh,
Yeah, that's.
I think it is. Actually, there's a tooth in that too.
he hasn't even gotten to the dentist.
He's hardcore about skipping class.
All right. So let's look at this.
Going out to the treasure
How's your Bitcoin doing? You get the new thing in yet? Still those two small ones.
I have the two things. No, but I have gotten quite a bit of. I've had several back and forths with the ownership about bulk shipping and future attachments and. Right. All right, so you were to write a method. Puke pot. That.
Yeah, that's how we're spelling it.
You have to make a hell.
All right. So we're supposed to create a brand new string filled up with whatever character occurs most often in this guy. What's up? I don't know.
You better. Incompetent. Move it over.
So I'm going to write a little helper. Static char most used. This guy's going to take a string s as a parameter, and he's going to return whatever character in there is most used. So we're going to say char c is equal to s dot char at 0. We'll say int count is equal to 1. for int I, actually, we can do it this way. This is a better way. This will be fine. For int I is equal to 0, I is less than s dot length, I plus plus. So we'll actually start count off at 0 then. If s dot char at I is equal to the character we're looking for, then we'll say count plus plus. Okay, so this will find it for every single, this will search our string for every single character. How many times do we want to do this? We want to do this for every single character in our string. So for int j is equal to 0, j is less than s dot length, j plus plus. And here, we will set c equal to whatever the current character we're interested in. We will zero out count. And we'll do our search. So after this inner for loop, count should be equal to the number of times that C occurred in that string. Correct? We need to have an int max. We'll have an int max start off at -1. We need to have a char answer. We'll have not equal to anything to begin with. After this inner for loop, if count is greater than max, what are we going to do? We're going to set max equal to count, and we're going to set answer equal to C. They're already reset right here at the top. And at the very end, we'll return answer. So assuming there's at least one character in S, this will always return the char that occurs most times, favoring the first character. So in your example of can beaker, this would return C.
Oh, right. So it did first. I think mine will do the last.
Well, whatever. Just that's what this one does. Okay, so then down here, if s dot length is equal to 0, we'll return the empty string. That handles the special case. Otherwise, we're going to say char c is equal to driver dot. Hold on, I said this guy returns a char. No, it wants me to initialize that to something, even though we know it'll be fine. Puke eponymous, we're going to set char c equal to driver dot most used of s. And for int I is equal to, well, we need a string. String answer is equal to the empty string. For int I is equal to 0. I is less than s dot length, I plus plus. Answer plus equals C. Then return answer. So return the empty string if S doesn't have anything in it. Otherwise, figure out what character was most used. Then create a brand new string. Go through the number of characters that are in the given string and just build up it. All of them filled up with whatever C was. Return the answer. Yep.
With the if s dot length, do you necessarily need that? Because if it's 0 and it goes through, it just will go down to the return answer, which is
I think this guy breaks.
that guy.
Most used will it'll return a question mark.
Oh.
Now, I guess actually realistically it probably wouldn't break. It would come in, if S had nothing in it, we would set these things up. This loop would never start, so we would just return answer, which is the char question mark, not the end of the world. answer starts off with the empty string, we wouldn't go through here at all. We'd return the empty string. So you're right. This is redundant. Didn't hurt anything, but didn't need it.
Well, would it help efficiency then? So it wouldn't go through any of the other stuff?
Negligible in terms of actual.
What if my string has infinite length?
Well, then
Stop compensating.
this would work, just not finish.
That's just talking about Ryan's efficiency stuff.
Okay, so most of the difficulty in this problem was finding the most used character in a string. Are there any other ways we could have done that? Good.
Dictionaries.
Okay. How would that have worked?
Have a dictionary that has all the letters and counts in each one. Then when you go through the first time, you just add them as you come to them.
Okay, so a dictionary that has every single character in the character set?
In the string.
Okay. So you create a dictionary, whatever dictionary object is. I know you're basing it off of a couple other languages, but so you create a dictionary that has one of every single character that's in the string, one of every unique character in the string, and then go through and count the number of guys that are in there.
Yeah.
Okay, why would that be better?
It's just another way to do it. You'd say it better.
Yeah, no, that's true. Well, but even then, so now you have a dictionary. You still have to then search through your dictionary to find out.
To
look at the largest value.
For each letter to count it, so that would let you loop through it once and like tally them all.
I gotcha, because the whoever wrote dictionary would have done the other loop behind the scenes. Yeah. Okay. And any other ways? Any other shortcut we could have used to find out what the maximum occurrence in the string was?
Find some lockups instead.
So take our example string, the happy, Happy. How would we figure out that P was the most common character in there? Is there an alternative? Go ahead.
One thing I thought of, but in fact, this would basically be going back to easier, but well, at the time, because like if you use index of, like search for use index of to search for the next occurrence of each letter, then basically like I used an array, I guess it would basically be ultimately the same thing.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Well, go ahead.
Well, technically, could you use that when you do index of? That would give a certain, it would give it a length or how many array buckets it goes to. So the max array buckets would make it that would be the highest character, the most used character.
Say that again.
I think what he's trying to say is, well, I kind of set up, or trying to set up a similar way. I had an array where you can store all the characters in that array, and then another array where basically was keeping track of the count of each character.
Yeah.
So then it would increment if it came across that character again.
Okay. So kind of building the dictionary that Matt was talking about.
Yeah, but I didn't finish most.
Okay.
It's your punishment.
I don't know, that probably wouldn't be faster. That would be slower than that.
Okay. Well, so but an interesting point here is that a problem that seems so trivial actually doesn't have an incredibly trivial answer. I mean, it wasn't difficult, but you still had to write a nested for loop to go through and find the maximum occurrence of something, right? The easy part was building a string of a certain length containing all the same character. Would you say that this is difficult?
No.
All hard problems made up of a bunch of easy parts. In this case, an easy problem is actually harder than it would seem to be, but is still made up of a bunch of easy parts.
I think this was 10 out of 10
I don't even want to think about that.
Okay, so let's talk about your homework assignment.
Here's hard as this other.
So let's get rid of this junk.
you test out the code?
Hmm.
You didn't test out the code.
Test out what code?
Or the code you just did.
Oh, I'm confident it works. Do you want me to test it?
I wanted to see it, but I can do it.
Yeah. That's pretty awesome so far.
That's even better.
That actually is really funny. It showed a bunch of Asians.
Your program failed.
It totally did. Hold on. What the heck? Did I introduce an error in here? Oh,
Yeah.
that was only because I built it in parts. That's not a real error. Well, no, I built this thing in here in parts. It was correct when I first wrote that line.
That's what I tell them when bugs get to production. It's not real.
It's not a real error.
You're
I deleted all the user accounts. It's not a real error.
I was writing it from a teaching perspective.
Yeah.
I wanted you to catch it.
It's on recording too.
That's fine.
Man, that's gonna be a senior project now. Showing everyone all the things.
Okay, so for your homework assignment, and this is due on Monday. Remember, we will not have class on Friday as I will be at a conference in Illinois.
I'll be there too.
What about this?
It's from talking at it.
Yeah, we're going to have a quiz on Friday, too. Shut up!
Alright, we'll do.
I need to look at the... If I remember correctly, we currently have a problem with our else. Is that correct?
Oh, yeah.
It's been so long I don't remember.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Holy cow, this is.
Yeah, it's not a big deal. That'll just be part of your homework assignment. Okay, so we're currently supporting if else. We support a for, don't we? Do we support a while? Let me check real quick. Right, I just wanted to know. I'm having you add expressions. I'm just finding out what we currently support.
While for.
So in case you can stack like 5
Okay, I'm going to make this easier than I was going to.
Woo! Don't jinx it. For you, the job.
Shut up! All right.
Did it swing when you threw him? I don't remember.
Oh yeah. I'll show it again here in a second after we.
I'm afraid of your organ. Or your
Pay no attention. Why are you buying 5,000 ninja stars?
During senior set, he's in the back if he gets pissed off.
Don't pass the quiz.
Probably hard to find.
Do they have ninja stores? I should go into a ninja store and ask if they have my size in a ninja outfit.
Do you have the garb? Great White Ninja?
Huh?
One is not simply find a ninja.
How do you know?
It's a ninja store.
There was a funny Onion article a while ago about how onlookers were disappointed that they never saw this morning's highly anticipated ninja parade. They were hit by pieces of candy, but never actually saw the ninjas.
It's like I'm early.
All right, homework number 7. Expand the attached code to fix the if-else issue, as well as, well, here, let's just do fix the else if issue. Also, add the ability to support expressions only the literal and identifier productions. So from expressions, you only need to make these first 2 work. So we're only going one level deeper. You're not having to do the math expression, which then is defined as this guy. You're not having to do the Boolean expression, which then is defined by this guy. Okay? So all you have to do is support expressions, but a miniature version of expressions. So you're expanding the syntax for our if and if else to no longer just take if, opening parenthesis, closing parenthesis, but now also take the expression in the middle. Does that make sense? Okay, so one little upgrade. All right, then I'll.
Jake's just speaking the truth back there.
What did he say?
Out of the heart. That was quite funny.
And
Okay, and shut up. And this is due May 5th on Monday.
It's like next month.
Yeah, it's not due till next month.
Pay attention to your email on Friday for Friday's quiz. Hmm?
You're not going to be there to berate us. It's not going to be the same.
1, 2, 3, 5 people made the competency pile.
I had 2 papers in there. That was so long.
Oh,
Oh no.
it is 4. Oh, here, you want to see the? You want to see this? The spinning?
Yeah.
Oh, hold on, I died. See what it's doing? Oh! What? Yeah, it comes back.
No, but it looked like it didn't. It's a bird of prey.
It did what?
It didn't look like it hindered you.
Oh, yeah, it does. If I just blow through it, I can't see it. Every 1 second it.
Yes, you know, you just really good. The visual comes with
When you get rickrolled, it should play the like you lost sound effect from Price is Right, like that one.
All right.
Lose it, you go in live.
Well, hold on, I'm fixing this.
Wait, is that Rick Astley's hat that they shoot at you?
Yeah.
I didn't know what that was.
Some buzz.
Where's my? Oh, here's my game over.
Where's the display text option?
Oh, here it is.
That's for if you have dirty text. Oh, don't open it.
Coming from what?
Yeah, what?
One of these guys is supposed to be playing that music. Who's playing the music right here? Oh, I know where it comes from. It's not even in that. It's under player. It's this guy. When he dies. There we go.
No, you're not. Well,
You like that game?
So if you win, what happens?
For their homework assignment, they're having to add a boss fight between levels.
No way.
there's levels.
If you, in case you noticed, well, yeah.
I think it's harder. He's level.
You see the Ewoks. The Ewoks have Rick Astley's head on their staff.
I saw that.
Crazy.